be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. It doesn't feel pity, or remorse, or fear, and it absolutely will not stop. Ever. Until you are dead.
Hello, this is the Wraith. And today I'm going to show you how to wash a motorcycle helmet while exhausted. You're going to need a sink, some chocolate for added caffeine, some Johnson's Head and Toe Baby Wash, some microfiber cleaning cloths, and a dirty-ass motorcycle helmet. I would also recommend trying some Help Me Jesus hot sauce. First, you'll need to make yourself some strong-ass coffee. Make sure you put a shit ton of sugar in it. If your dog or cat has chewed up your rubber sink stoppers, just use some of these free plastic bags. You can get them from any grocery store. Just shove them down in there. Remove your helmet's visor. Easy enough. Remove all of the protective padding from your helmet. Once you have the liner removed from the helmet, get a regular towel, soak it in hot water, and drape it over the helmet so it can start loosening up all of that dirt and grime. While you're waiting for that grime to loosen up on your helmet, go ahead and fill the left side of your sink with some warm, soapy water. Make sure you squeeze each pad. Get all of the grease and grime out of each one. Go ahead and let your pads soak for a little while. While they're soaking, fill up the right side of the sink with some rinse water. If you feel like your pads didn't get clean enough the first time, drain the left side of the sink and repeat the process. If you feel like you're falling asleep, have more chocolate. Woo. When the sink is empty, squeeze out each pad like it's someone you love. Place each pad inside the right sink to rinse. Finish rinsing. Squeeze out each pad. And place them to the side to dry for at least 24 hours. If you're still tired, drink another cup of coffee. Now that you've finished washing your pads, go ahead and take the wet towel off of your helmet. You should see it's already done a lot of the work for you. Next thing you want to do is take a wet microfiber cloth and gently start wiping the helmet down. When you're ready to focus on the small details, take your roommate's toothbrush and use it to get in all the little crevices inside your vents and around the gaskets. When you're finished washing your helmet, take a dry microfiber cloth and dry it off. If you're tired, drink more coffee. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you wash a motorcycle helmet. Thank you for joining the Wraith. Ride safe.